Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and also for those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be doing chickpea curry along with rice. So here I am chopping up the peppers, the sweet pepper, to prepare for frying and cooking, and I will be adding it along with the chickpeas and making the curry with it as well. Next pretty shortly I will be doing the onions, and it's going to give it a good flavour to it, which is going to be even making the food 10 times delicious, and the curry making it taste even much nicer as well. So here it is, folks, chopping up the onions into small pieces, in fact dices as well. Now some people might learn how to cook at a very late time in their lives, so if you're just learning how to cook, then it is like better to use the bridge method if your hands is near to the knife. So always use the bridge method because it's a safer way of cutting the onion so that you don't cut your fingers. So I'm going to start out with the onion. And just like my previous video that I did with the chicken curry, you don't need to add oil to it necessarily. So if you haven't seen that video yet, you can go and check it out. I'll leave it down in the link below, down in the description box, if you want to see after watching this video. So what you do is pour in some water little by little, and then you give the onions a stir. We'll be adding in the sweet pepper later and shortly as well. So by doing so, it just gives it the flavour as well, along with the onions. And meanwhile it's sizzling, you just turn it down to a lower temperature so it doesn't burn. It's very important, you do not want burnt foods. And also the water will stop it from burning at the bottom as well, so yeah. So now you're adding a bit of turmeric to it. Gives it colour as well. Adding some chilli powder. Not too much though, because we do not want it too hot. So that will be enough chilli powder because we do not want it too hot for everyone else. Adding a bit more water so it doesn't burn. And then you're adding coriander powder. So next we're going to end in the curry blend as well. So not too much like before. And then pour some water in as well. Then last will be the chickpeas.
I'm not going to compare my...
So now that you've got the chickpeas into the pot, lastly it's going to be chopped tomatoes.
You know when 40-year-old men say that...
So to thicken it, you put in some corn flour. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave it to simmer for a while. Meanwhile I put on the rice. And then we'll look back at it later on in this video. So So now we are going to add in the rice into the pot. It needs to be a bit more in here. So this is basmati rice we're doing. So this is the chickpea curry that I've done. And now next I'm moving on to the rice. And I'll show you later in the video once it starts boiling. So this is the rice about to be cooked. And then here you got the vegetables along with the broccoli that is next to be cooked as well. It's going to be boiling shortly. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and this is a finished look of the meal. Chickpea curry, mixed vegetables and rice done, ready to be served. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also you can follow me on Telegram if you want to by clicking on the About page, or you could click on the links down in the description box below. Bye guys, and I shall see you next time.